All right, we're going to test this mother of all cannons using a Nerf rocket, and we're going to launch this thing out at about 100 psi, and it's getting close. I don't know if you can see the dial there. It's getting pretty close to 100 psi. So we're going to stop this thing here real quick, and we're going to get situated. And we're going to load this up down this barrel, which is right here. And we're going to push that down in there with a stick. We'll be right back. Three, two, one.